Hey guys, I just want to show you quickly how I got from this to this under 50 bucks. So if you ever wondered if this stuff which you see on YouTube really works to restore your headlights, today I'm gonna try it out. So I got this kit from AliExpress. I'm gonna put a link down below, so we're gonna see if it's gonna work on my Sequoia. Put the bottle, some kind of blue liquid. I would say it smells like acetone, maybe just colored acetone, I don't know. So we're gonna fill this up in here. Maybe dump the whole solution. Let's see how blue it is. Okay, so now I plug it in and wait till it starts evaporate. Main thing for sure is to wear a mask that filters so you don't breathe in this stuff. So I sanded down the headlight. I started with 400 grids and then I moved to 800 and then to 1000. Then I did 1500 and then the last one I did 2000. I don't know if it's necessary to go all those steps, but I think the finer you get the grid, the better you get the result by the end. So this is how the headlight looks right now after 2000 grid, and now I'm gonna use that tool.